How to make a circular progress bar in Premiere Pro. Click and hold on above the rectangle tool and select Ellipse tool. Click and drag, and hold down the Shift key to create a proportional ellipse. Now in the Essential Graphics panel, click on these two buttons to center it horizontally and vertically. In the Effects panel, expand Shape, uncheck the Fill Color and check the Stroke checkbox, and set it to 35. Now in the Effects panel, search for Radial Wipe and drag the Radial Wipe effect into the circle. Move the playhead to the start and set wipe to counterclockwise. Set transition completion to 100 and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead around 2 seconds forward and set it to 0 to create the second keyframe. To smoothen the animation, select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and add ease in and ease out to them. To round the corners of the circle, search for roughen edges and add it to the circle. Set border to 27, sharpness to 10, and fractal influence to 0. Now we have this nice circular progress bar, but we can make it more colorful. Change the stroke color for this circle. With the selection tool, hold down the Alt key and drag the circle to create 3 duplicates from it. Move the playhead to the start, then hold down the Shift key and press the right arrow key to go forward 5 frames and drag one of the duplicates at this position. Do this for other circles too. Now select the first circle and with this arrow move the playhead to the second keyframe. Now select duplicate circles. Move the second keyframe to the playhead position, and change the stroke color for each of them to a color you like. Here we want all of them to fill up at the same time. Press the Enter key to render the sequence. And now we have this nice progress bar. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.